management, I will explain the material about of smoking in the campus area. Smoking is an activity that harms not only yourself, your family, and those around you. In my opinion, smoking has harmful health effects for smokers and non-smokers who may be exposed to cigarettes in addition to smokers themselves. It is certainly very worrying if some students are still smoking in campus area, where students spend a lot of time together in close proximity. Students who do not may be forced to inhale secondhand smoke if smoking elevated in public places such as campus areas. Smoking behavior has now become something that can be easily found in various places, even in the campus environment, which is a place of teaching and learning. It is very easy to find people who smoke in the campus environment, ranging from lecturers, employees, and especially students who are the most campus community are of course also the largest contributor to active smokers on campus. Smoking activities in the campus area cannot be normalized ever, not only in the campus area but other public or open places, because of the adverse effects felt not only to smokers but to the people around. Okay, that's just my opinion about smoking in the campus area. Hopefully, it can understood by all of us the question works. Oke, selanjutnya saya akan menjelaskan materi tentang the question words. Definition: question words, or what we later refer to as question or interrogative words, used to form question in English. For example, the word what is used to ask about something that does not have a specific shape or characteristic. Jadi, kata tanya atau yang biasa kita sebut sebagai WH question adalah kata tanya yang digunakan untuk membentuk pertanyaan dalam bahasa Inggris. Misalnya kata what digunakan untuk menanyakan sesuatu yang tidak memiliki bentuk atau karakteristik tertentu. Oke, next selanjutnya ada what are the question words. Question words can be divided into the following categories: who, what, when, where, why, and course how. These are the 5 ways plus 1 age that we know. However, of course, there is less, right? In English, it does not only consist of 5 words plus 1 age, but in addition to what we mentioned above, there are other addition named which, whose, and whom. Apa saja sih kata pertanyaannya? Kata tanya dapat dibagi dalam beberapa kategori. Siapa, apa, kapan, di mana, dan mengapa, dan tentu saja bagaimana. Ini adalah 5 W plus 1 H yang kita kenal. Namun tentu saja masih ada yang kurang, bukan? Dalam bahasa Inggris setidaknya terdiri dari 5 W plus 1 H. Tapi selain yang telah kami sebutkan di atas, ada tambahan lainnya, yaitu which, whose, and whom. H, who is an English interrogative word used to ask about the identity of a person or group of people involved in a particular event, activity, or context. For example, 1. Who is he? Who are your parents? Who won the game? Who is your favorite actor? Who is at the door? B. What? What is an English interrogative word used to ask about objects, activities, or concepts that occur or are involved in a particular event, activity, or context. In fiction is to obtain information about a particular object, activity, or concept in a conversation or situation. Oke, contoh kalimat dari what? Example sentence. 1. What is your favorite color? B. What team is it? What did you eat for breakfast? What is the capital of France? What are you doing this weekend? What is your favorite book? C. When. When is a, when is an English interrogative word used to ask about the time of period of time in which an event occurs. Its function is to obtain information about a specific time or period in a conversation or situation, as well as helping us to understand the sequence or schedule of an event. Contoh dari kalimat when, example sentence. When is your birthday? When did you arrive in Jakarta? When in the next train to London? When does the movie start? When will you finish your homework? When did you meet your best friend? When you usually wake up in the morning. D. Where? Where is an English interrogative word used to ask about the location or place where an event occurs in a conversation or situation. Example sentence. Where is the nearest hospital? Where did you go on vacation last year? Where are my keys? Where is the bedroom? Where do you work? Where did you find this book? E. Why? This word is used to ask for the reason behind an event, action, occurrence, or situation. So, when we want to know why something happened or why someone did something, we can ask why. Example sentence. Why did you come to the party? Why are you late? Why did you choose this university? F. Which in English interrogative word that help you choose between several options in function is to request information about a particular choice from a number of available options helping you in all decision making. Example sentence. Which color do you prefer, red or blue? Which book which which book are you reading right now? Which movie did you watch last night? G. How? How is an English interrogative word used to ask about the manner or process of how an event or action is performed. Example sentence. How do you bake a cake? How did you learn to ride a bike? How can I improve my English speaking skill? H. Whose. Whose is an English interrogative word used to ask about the ownership or whose property in certain object or thing belongs to. Example sentence. Whose book is this? Whose car is parked outside? Whose idea was it to organize the event? Is the closest planet to the sun? Whom? Whom is an interrogative word you use to ask about the person who is the object of a sentence. Example sentence. To whom did you give the present? Whom did she invite to the party? Who whom do you trust the most? In addition to this basic interrogative word, there are several other expressions or variations that are already discussed which will be useful for deepening understanding in English. H. How come? How come is a common English phrase used to ask for explanation or reason for something. It's similar to asking why, but often used in a more casual or informal way. Berikut adalah beberapa contoh cara menggunakan kata kok bisa. How come you're so late? Kenapa kamu sangat terlambat? How come she didn't call me back? Mengapa dia tidak menelepon saya kembali? How come you didn't tell me earlier? Kenapa kamu tidak memberitahu saya sebelumnya? Jadi, selain kata tanya dasar tersebut, ada beberapa ekspresi atau variasi lain yang jarang dibahas yang akan berguna untuk memperdalam pemahaman dalam bahasa Inggris. Yang A ada how come. How come adalah frase bahasa Inggris yang umumnya digunakan untuk meminta penjelasan atau alasan untuk sesuatu. Frase ini lebih mirip dengan menanyakan why, namun sering digunakan dengan cara yang lebih santai atau informal. B. What for? What for is used to ask for the reason of or purpose why someone is doing something. Usually, this expression is more informal and is often used in everyday conversation. Example, they save all that money. What for? Mereka menyimpan semua uang itu untuk apa? What do you wake up so early for? Untuk apa kau bangun pagi-pagi? He bought a new computer. What for? Untuk dia membeli komputer baru untuk apa? Jadi what for digunakan untuk menanyakan alasan atau tujuan seseorang untuk melakukan sesuatu. Biasanya ungkapan ini lebih bersifat informal atau sering digunakan dalam percakapan sehari-hari. Oke, sekian presentasi dari saya mengenai materi The Question Words. Semoga bisa dipahami, kurang lebihnya mohon maaf. Thank you.